Hey guys, it's a beautiful day out. So we're gonna clean. I just finished my book. I finished reading A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. I'd highly recommend reading. It was very good. I have both sequels, but I lent them out to someone. So I'm gonna wait until I get those back and then I'll read those. And then currently I have 2 people holding on this book, like they wanna read it. So yes, just a fun little fact. Anyways, today we are going to clean, we are going to study, it's going to be productive Sunday because Sundays are my productive day. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Question of the day is, what's your favorite musical? Because I'm currently stage managing a musical, so that's been consuming my entire life. Yes, anyways, let's get into the video. We have to begin by like Windexing my nail. Like, ew, that's so nasty. So let's go grab some Windex. It looks a bit cleaner. There's some streaks, but I don't know how to clean, so. What is with me and thumbs ups today? It's alright, because they're cool. Time to make Aura an energy drink. JK, it's not really gonna be an energy drink. It's just gonna be black tea and I'm guessing peach juice. So let's make that. Welcome back, guys. Oh, this one's so pretty. Welcome back to Aura's cooking show, where Aura only specializes in terrible Starbucks drinks. Today, we'll make a black tea base with stuff in it. That last clip was very creepy, but it kind of reminds me of my portrait. Meet Nellie. Oh, Nellie the Neanderthal. This was my first ever portrait that I did. And I promise it doesn't look as contrasty in real life, but I don't really know how to make it not look like that. The nose is screwed up, even in real life. And I signed it with my fingerprints. That's gonna be my thing. Oh, those two new pictures. I think you guys saw it on another vlog. Elizabeth gave them to me. Aren't they so pretty? They go perfectly. They like match. It's wonderful. Ellie. Say bye, Nellie. Yeah, bye-bye. I promise I do not talk to my paintings. That's Paris. If you can tell by the Eiffel Tower. That's not the Eiffel. There we go. So this is what it currently looks like. Some is just like straight up stained onto there, but I can't fix that, so. The board is updated. Now it is time to do my sticky note mirror, which keeps me track of my week, and I tried it last week and it really helped, so I'm gonna do that again this week. as you can see, that's how it turns out, and it just has Monday through Friday, and it's whatever, like it could be your work week, your school week, whatever it is. And then it's kind of like just to-do list of that day. Friday has nothing on it, which is like this one closest to here, so that makes me happy. It starts off really busy and then gets like really chill because spring break is at the end of the week. Now that I've dawdled for the past 20 minutes, I don't even know if, I don't think that's a word, but in my mind dawdled means doing nothing. I'm gonna do some studying because I need it. I don't want to fail physics. I don't think I will. I'm not really close to failing physics, to be honest. The first few quizzes I did though for that class, that was rough. Also, my first calc test I got back 77%. That's rough. Granted, I don't need the course, so it's still impressive, and like calc is one of the hardest courses. Yeah. But that's unfortunate because my quiz average was like a 98. And I took the test and it was like, JK. But back to physics. I understand the review or whatever, so I'm not as worried about it. And you guys know I'm a note-taking queen, so let's do that. I'm gonna try and set up this camera. So this unit is a bit different than past units that I've studied for, because typically I have all the notes like typed out for me, like teachers either through presentations or, you know, like notes I've drawn down in class. I'll just like rewrite them. But this time we started using our workbook, and so all of my notes are actually in here. So I kind of have to pick and choose. Now I'm lucky, I'm a person that already like highlights in my book and like writes notes sort of like in the note section. I know it doesn't look like I do here. One second, let me try. Like here, for example, like I am that student that tries to make sense of things, so that will make my life easier, but that's besides the point. Let's get into it. Also, before I start studying, I wanted to note something. While editing past videos of me studying, my face is always like, from now on, I'm gonna pretend it isn't there, okay? And you guys should too. If you notice it, don't say anything. Don't point it out. I know it's there. I do it and I catch myself to whatever. On to time lapse. Okay, so I finished one page of notes. Obviously I have more. I'm only like just beginning lesson 2, and there were 5 lessons in this unit. So I'm going to finish studying and then I'll come back to you guys afterwards. Okay, so I just finished studying for physics. Technically there's one more thing to study, but I'm over studying, so we're gonna leave it at this. Now I haven't posted a YouTube video in I think like a week or 2, which I feel quite bad about because I have filmed, I just haven't had time to edit them with the musical happening, because I'm typically at school until like 9 p.m. and then I don't even really get home until 10, and it starts right after school, so I am quite busy. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit some YouTube videos right now so that I can post those this week, and then I hope over spring break I film some more videos, like a bunch, and then I can post them throughout the upcoming months, unless I feel like kind of uploading more instead of just 2 a week, but that is the plan. So the video is currently rendering, as you can see, and then that video is edited, not this one though. I think I'm gonna do that next. With that being said, this video has come to an end. I've been so productive. I've done so much. And I'm so proud of myself. This week is gonna go by so smoothly, and I'm gonna ace my physics test tomorrow. And YouTube videos are gonna go up, and spring breaks at the end of the week. I have so much energy. I'm so excited. And yeah, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Question of the day was, I do not remember, to be honest. Let's try and remember. I don't remember the question of the day, but that's okay. So have a wonderful day, guys, and peace.